In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Docs on Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking to enhance your workflow, following these steps will help you efficiently integrate and utilize Monday Docs in your team's daily operations. First, we need to navigate to Monday.com. Open up your preferred web browser, type in Monday.com, and hit Enter. This takes you to the homepage of Monday.com, a powerful work operating system designed to help teams run projects and workflows with confidence. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to log into your account. For convenience, you can use your Google account to sign in. Simply click on the Google option, then choose the appropriate Google account associated with your Monday.com account. This should smoothly transition you into your dashboard. Now, let's move on to accessing your specific work environment. Head on over to your board. If you're working on multiple boards, make sure to select the one that you intend to modify with a Monday doc. If your board is currently in view, you're all set for the next step. In your board, locate the plus icon. This icon is typically found within your table view, indicating the option to add a new column. Click on this icon to bring up additional options for your board. Upon clicking the plus icon, you should see an option that says More Columns. Clicking on More Columns will expand your choices, giving you the ability to customize the board even further. In the search bar that appears, type in the word Docs. Typing Docs will filter your options, bringing up the Monday Docs selection. An essential tool for collaboration and document management right within your board. Finally, click on the Monday Doc to add it as a column to your board. This addition will allow you and your team to create, store, and manage documents directly from the Monday.com platform, making it easier to collaborate without switching between different tools. With the Monday Doc now integrated into your workflow, you can start adding documents, collaborating with your team in real time, and utilizing the platform's features to keep your projects organized and on track. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and seamlessly coordinated efforts, keeping all your work in one convenient location.